Have you ever wondered what ticks off an ISFP, one of the most creative and sensitive personality types? In today's video, we'll be diving into the top things that ISFPs absolutely hate and how understanding these dislikes can improve your relationships with them. If you're an ISFP or have one in your life, you'll definitely want to stick around to learn more about what makes them tick and how to better connect with them on a deeper level. So let's jump right in and explore the world of ISFPs together. 1. Disorganization and chaos. Disorganization and chaos can be a major source of stress for ISFPs who tend to thrive in harmonious environments where they can fully immerse themselves in their thoughts and feelings. Their innate sensitivity and preference for order make it difficult for them to function at their best when surrounded by clutter or disorder. In such settings, ISFPs may find it challenging to focus on their tasks, leading to increased anxiety and reduced overall satisfaction. To help ISFPs maintain a sense of balance and inner peace, it is essential to create an organized and serene atmosphere in which they can flourish. This can be achieved by implementing simple organizational strategies such as designating specific areas for belongings, creating routines for tidying up, and using tools like planners or calendars to manage schedules. By making a conscious effort to maintain a clutter-free environment, you can support the ISFP's well-being and contribute to their overall happiness and productivity. 2. Insensitivity and emotional dishonesty. Emotional honesty and sensitivity are of paramount importance to ISFPs who deeply value authentic connections with others. They have a keen ability to pick up on subtle emotional cues, and as a result can quickly detect insincerity or emotional dishonesty. When faced with insensitivity or deception, ISFPs may feel hurt or betrayed, leading them to withdraw from the relationship or situation. For them, genuine communication and emotional vulnerability form the cornerstone of any meaningful bond. When interacting with ISFPs, it is crucial to be open, honest, and considerate of their feelings. Active listening and empathetic responses can go a long way in fostering trust and understanding between both parties. Being attentive to their emotional needs and offering support during difficult times demonstrates a genuine investment in the relationship. By cultivating an environment of emotional honesty and sensitivity, you can help ISFPs feel valued, respected, and secure in their connections with others. 3. Social pressure. ISFPs are fiercely independent individuals who crave the freedom to explore their passions and make their own choices. A sense of autonomy is crucial to their well-being, and they often struggle when they feel controlled or restricted by others. This aversion to being controlled might manifest in various aspects of their lives, such as personal relationships, work environments, or social settings. When their autonomy is threatened, ISFPs may experience heightened stress, frustration, or even resentment, which can hinder their ability to thrive and enjoy life. To respect and nurture the ISFP's need for autonomy, it's essential to recognize and validate their individuality and personal desires. Encouraging them to pursue their interests and offering support in their endeavors can foster a sense of independence and self-confidence. In relationships, it's important to maintain open communication and establish healthy boundaries that allow for personal growth and exploration. By demonstrating a genuine respect for their need for freedom and individuality, you can create a strong foundation for a thriving, mutually fulfilling relationship with an ISFPs. 4. Conflict and confrontation. ISFPs have a natural aversion to conflict and confrontation as they prefer to maintain a sense of harmony and balance in their relationships. This preference often leads them to avoid situations that might trigger disputes, even at the cost of suppressing their own feelings or opinions. However, this approach can result in unresolved issues or feelings of frustration, which can ultimately strain relationships and cause internal turmoil for the ISFPs. To address conflicts with ISFPs in a more constructive manner, it is important to create an environment where they feel safe and comfortable expressing their thoughts and emotions. Gentle, non-confrontational communication styles can help ISFPs feel at ease and more willing to engage in difficult conversations. Active listening, empathy, and understanding are key components in resolving conflicts while preserving the ISFP's need for harmony. By approaching disagreements with sensitivity and a willingness to compromise, you can foster a more open and trusting relationship with ISFPs, allowing them to feel heard and respected. 5. Inauthenticity. ISFPs place a high value on authenticity and genuine connections with others. They're drawn to people who are true to themselves and who display a sense of integrity in their actions and words. Inauthenticity, whether in the form of superficiality, pretentiousness, or dishonesty, can be deeply off-putting to it. Encounters with inauthentic individuals can leave them feeling disconnected and disenchanted, potentially damaging their trust in others. To build meaningful relationships with ISFPs, it is vital to be genuine and open in your interactions. Embrace your true self and don't be afraid to share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences with them. ISFPs appreciate honesty and vulnerability, and they are more likely to connect with those who are willing to be real and genuine in their relationships. By fostering a sense of authenticity and staying true to yourself, you can create a strong, lasting bond with an ISFP based on mutual trust and understanding. 6. Overwhelming noise and sensory overload. ISFPs are known for their heightened sensitivity to their surroundings, which includes an acute awareness of sounds, textures, and other sensory stimuli. When exposed to overwhelming noise or excessive sensory input, they may feel overstimulated and stressed, struggling to focus or maintain their inner balance. This sensitivity can make it challenging for them to enjoy certain social situations, such as crowded events or noisy gatherings, ultimately affecting their overall well-being. To support ISFPs in managing their sensitivity to sensory stimuli, it is helpful to create calm and soothing environments where they can feel relaxed and at ease. Soft lighting, comforting textures, and quiet spaces can contribute to a more peaceful atmosphere that aligns with their preferences. When planning social events or outings, consider choosing venues with lower noise level or more intimate settings, ensuring a more enjoyable experience for the ISFP. By being mindful of their sensory needs and making small adjustments, you can help ISFPs feel more comfortable and at peace in their surroundings. 7. Lack of creativity and personal expression. ISFPs are inherently creative individuals who find solace and fulfillment in expressing themselves through various artistic pursuits. They are passionate about their interests and derive a sense of purpose from exploring and developing their creative talents. A lack of creativity or limited opportunities for personal expression can lead to feelings of restlessness or dissatisfaction for the ISFP, as they may struggle to find meaning and direction in their lives. Encouraging and supporting the creative endeavors of ISFPs is crucial for their personal growth and happiness. Provide them with the time, space, and resources to pursue their interests and celebrate their achievements along the way. Engage with them in conversations about their passions and actively participate in their creative journey whenever possible. By nurturing their creative spirit and fostering an environment where they can freely express themselves, you contribute to the ISFP's overall sense of fulfillment and self-actualization. 8. Rigid rules and structures. ISFPs often prefer a more flexible and spontaneous approach to life, valuing the ability to adapt and explore new possibilities as they arise. Rigid rules, structures, or routines can feel stifling and restrictive to them, limiting their creativity and sense of freedom. When faced with excessive rigidity, ISFPs may experience stress, frustration, or even rebellion as they struggle to find a balance between their need for autonomy and the constraints imposed upon them. To accommodate the ISFP's preference for flexibility, it's important to create an environment that allows for spontaneity and adaptability. Encourage them to set their own goals and find their own paths, rather than imposing strict expectations or structures upon them. Offer support and guidance when needed, but also provide them with the space to make their own decisions and learn from their experiences. By fostering a more open and flexible atmosphere, you can help ISFPs feel more empowered and motivated to pursue their passions and aspirations. 9. Invalidation of feelings and emotions. ISFPs are deeply in tune with their emotions, and they rely on their feelings to guide them through life's experiences. When their emotions are dismissed or invalidated, it can be incredibly hurtful and damaging to their self-esteem. This lack of validation may lead to self-doubt, internalization of negative emotions, and a sense of disconnection from others. To create a supportive and understanding relationship with an ISFPs, it's essential to validate and acknowledge their feelings and emotions. Practice active listening and empathetic responses, offering comfort and reassurance when they express their emotions. Encourage them to share their feelings openly and be willing to engage in meaningful conversations about their experiences. By showing genuine interest and compassion for their emotional well-being, you can foster a deeper sense of trust and connection with the ISFPs, ultimately contributing to a more fulfilling and supportive relationship. In conclusion, understanding the things that ISFPs absolutely hate can significantly improve your relationships with them, whether it's a friendship, a romantic partnership, or a professional connection. By being mindful of their need for harmony, emotional honesty, autonomy, and creativity, you can foster a strong and lasting bond with the ISFP in your life. Remember to be genuine, supportive, and flexible to help them feel comfortable and valued. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below about your experiences with ISFPs or any thoughts you'd like to share. Your feedback is greatly appreciated and helps us create content tailored to your interests. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,